In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up field history tracking in Salesforce. This is an essential feature that allows you to monitor changes to the records in your Salesforce org, giving you insights into how data evolves over time. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce instance. Open your web browser and log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, we'll get started on setting up field history tracking. The first step is to locate the Setup menu. In your Salesforce interface, you'll find a small gear icon in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will give you options related to settings and configuration. Now the next thing you're going to do is open the Advanced Setup. When you click on the gear icon, look for the option that says Open Advanced Setup and click it. This is where most of the customization happens, so it's an important step. Once you've opened the Advanced Setup, look for a section labeled Object Manager. This might be listed in a navigation pane on the left side of your screen. Click on Object Manager to continue. After clicking, you'll be taken to a list where you can find all the objects that you have within your Salesforce instance. Now this is the part where you choose the object you want to enable field history tracking on. Click to select the object, for example, Account. This will take you to a new page that showcases various details and settings regarding that particular object. After selecting your object, you'll want to find and click on Fields and Relationships. It's usually on the left sidebar of the page. You'll see a complete list of fields associated with your selected object, along with their definitions and settings. Now, here's where the magic begins. Look for the option that says Set History Tracking. When you find it, click on it. This is where you'll define what fields you wish to track over time. Upon clicking Set History Tracking, you'll have the ability to select specific fields that you want to monitor. It's pretty straightforward. Just mark the checkboxes next to the fields you want to track. For instance, if you want to track changes made to the account name or email, make sure to select those options. Finally, once you have selected the fields you want to keep an eye on, don't forget to click the Save button. This is crucial because if you don't save your changes, everything you've just set up will be lost. After clicking Save, your field history tracking is all set up. You should now be able to see a history of changes made to the fields you selected. This is incredibly useful for tracking the evolution of your data and keeping accountability in your organization. To recap, we started by logging into Salesforce, accessing Advanced Setup via the gear icon, navigating to the Object Manager, selecting the specific object, and then enabling history tracking for the desired fields. It's quite a simple process once you know where to look. Thank you for tuning in today. Setting up field history tracking is a great way to enhance your Salesforce experience by keeping track of your important data changes. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like it and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy tracking!